Within SquaredUp, we have a number of options for visualizing your metrics on your dashboards. So one of these is the gauge visualization that you can see here for build durations in this example. We're showing the average length of our builds in Azure DevOps in this example on a gauge. So I can edit build failures to do the same. So if I hit edit the tile, change our visualization option to gauge, you can see we have a preview reflected here in the bottom. I can then turn on monitoring also, which will also be reflected on the gauge. So if I set my threshold to 25, which we're below the acceptable, it will turn green. Likewise, I can also go below if that is the case for this tile, and it will be updated once the preview updates, then it will turn red. If I hit save, that change is then reflected on our dashboard in the tile we've configured. Then if I hit done, the monitoring will show up accordingly. So there you go, you can see it's shown up. So we look forward to seeing what gauges you configure on your dashboards, and happy dashboarding.